Can Earth become as big as Jupiter? What if our planet was a giant planet? Today, we learn planet names in English, and we compare Earth and Jupiter. Laat go to space. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English lesson. Today's topic is planet names in English. We will learn Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Are you ready? Let's begin. Repeat after me. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets of the solar system. This is Earth. Earth is our home. We live on Earth. Earth is a planet. Earth is not very big. Earth has water. Earth has people. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is a planet. Jupiter is very big. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter has many clouds. Jupiter has strong storms. Jupiter is far from Earth. Let's compare Earth and Jupiter. Earth is small. Jupiter is big. Jupiter is bigger than Earth. Earth is not as big as Jupiter. Earth has life. Jupiter has no people. Earth is our home. Jupiter is a gas planet. Now, imagine, what if Earth was as big as Jupiter? Earth would be very big. Our cities would be tiny. The sky would look different. Days might be longer. The weather would change. This is science and imagination. Now, let's practice. Which planet is bigger? Earth or Jupiter? Jupiter is bigger than Earth. Where do we live? We live on Earth. How many planets are there? There are 8 planets. Let's review the words. Planet big, small, bigger Earth, Jupiter, space. Very good. Today, we learned planet names. In English, Earth and Jupiter. Comparison. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and learn English with space. See you next time. Goodbye.